our trip, we'll visit the magnificent Columbia, Great Northwest, the powerful Potomac, Mid-Atlantic, and the rugged Rio Grande along the border of Texas and Mexico. We'll hear the voices of the pioneers, the native people, and the mischievous characters too, telling the unique stories and legends of life along America's great river. We begin our trip on the mighty Mississippi, heading south and ending up down in New Orleans. History, music, good food, and ghost stories. How else to explain all those rumors of mansions there being haunted? Folks say the place is filled with 999 happy haunts. And they're looking for someone to make it back. Mark Twain. Go ahead, find out for yourself. And there's the most famous landmark in these parts. The critters call it Splash Mountain. Watching folks plunging over its falls, I think you can see why. Of course, it's at a loss to understand what's going on. Perhaps Brer Frog can shed some light on the situation.
I told Brer Rabbit he better bend his way. I told him Brer Fox and Brer Bear gonna toss you over the falls all the way to that damn rock. But funny thing is, folks seem to love splashing down that big old river.
If you're new to the river, you're probably wondering about those calls. That's the legend, calling out the depth marker, so we can avoid running aground.
Mark Twain!
Mark Twain. Those are the two sweetest words a riverman can hear. It means the water is 2 fathoms deep, safe enough for riverboats like ours to travel through. But Mark Twain means something else these days. It's also the name of an author, a witty fella who used to pilot a stern wheeler himself in his day.
I'm a real starter. I can run out, jump out, swing out, swim out, dance out, shoot out, eat out, break out, toss her out. Anybody in all Mississippi and Ohio rivers put together.
Up on the rig. As we continue on, keep a close eye on the river. Good chance we might catch a glimpse of moose, eagle, mountain lions, and other wildlife.
Control Greatest, Control Greatest. For an elevator traffic at the Imperial Hotel.
Alright, so I've got to grab the handle on the far right again, pull her down and count to 5 and let her go. Pull her down again, count to 3 and let her go.
Pirate's Lair on Tom Sawyer Island on the starboard side. I tell you, if there was one thing young Tom always said he wanted to be, it was a pirate.
It's just the life for me.
Provide easier passage. We hope you enjoyed your voyage with us and that you'll visit us again real soon.
Engine